have FaceTime Unavailable on iPhone, means that the FaceTime video and audio calling feature is not working or accessible on your iPhone. This could be due to various reasons, but solving this issue is pretty quick and easy. So let's get started. Solution 1. Switch your internet. You can switch your network, Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. After that, just restart your iPhone. Solution 2. Offload the app. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap iPhone Storage, find out FaceTime app, tap Offload, tap Offload again, tap Reinstall. Solution 3. Log out and log in to your FaceTime. Open Setting, scroll down, tap FaceTime, tap your phone number or Apple ID. Now, sign out. After that, re-log in to your account. After following these 3 processes, now if you have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.